What is the difference between medieval feudalism and manorialism? Imagine a time when land was the main source of power and wealth. During the Middle Ages in Europe, two systems shaped how society was organized. These were feudalism and manorialism. They worked together but served different purposes. Understanding how they differ helps us see how medieval society functioned. Feudalism was a political and military system. It involved kings, nobles, and knights. The king owned all the land but granted parts of it called fiefs to nobles. In return, nobles promised loyalty and military service to the king. Knights, who were often vassals, pledged loyalty to nobles and fought for them. This system created a hierarchy with clear roles. It was about maintaining order, defending the land, and keeping political power. Land was exchanged for loyalty and service, making it the backbone of medieval governance. Manorialism, on the other hand, was about the economy and daily life. It focused on the management of rural estates called manors. A manor was a large piece of land with villages, farms, a mill, and sometimes a church. The lord of the manor owned the land and controlled what happened there. Peasants, often serfs, worked the land. They farmed plots of land and paid rent or provided labor to the lord. This system was self-sufficient, meaning the manor produced most of what the people needed. And like feudalism, manorialism was not about political or military duties. It was about local farming and social order. Most manors were part of larger fiefs granted under feudalism. The land given to a vassal by a lord was often a manor. So, the two systems overlapped. Feudalism provided the political structure, while manorialism managed the economy and rural life. As feudalism declined, changes in farming, population, and social needs affected both systems. This shift marked the end of the medieval era and led to new ways of organizing society. In simple terms, feudalism was the big picture of land, power, and loyalty across kingdoms. Manorialism was the day-to-day running of farms and villages on the land. Both systems were essential to medieval life, but they focused on different parts of society. Knowing the difference helps us understand how medieval Europe was organized and how it changed over time.